Welcome back, everyone. Today's flavor makes you wish you were hiking in the desert. That's right, Desert Pear. I love this stuff. A little floral, heavily sweet, just right. And the color's quite beautiful. So let's not waste any time. Let's get to it. Come on. Alright, first up, we've got 250 grams corn syrup, 100 grams pure cane sugar, 50 grams gelatin, 300 grams desert pear syrup by Monin, and I'll show you that here in just a second. And here's that desert pear. This stuff is delicious. If you like prickly pear or desert pear, this is right up your alley. And last but not least, the regular old 2 ounces of liquid coconut oil with 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon lecithin granules. First into the pot, sugar, followed by all that gelatin. Go ahead and whisk those together real quick. First into the pot, corn syrup. Followed by all that applesauce. And finally, all that scissor. Love the color of this. It's like a blue-green. It's just so beautiful. Ah, and the fragrance smells so good. Now let's stir those. Making a mess behind the scenes here. And stepping in it. Alright, we're going to let that sit for the 7 to 10 minutes to allow that gelatin to bloom, and then we'll put it on the heat. See you over there. Alright everybody, the oil is ready to add to the batch, and this has been on here for about 8 minutes now, so let's rock and roll. Dropping in. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah, made a mess. Now we continue to stir for the next, 3 to 5 minutes like usual, sometimes less. You know the drill. I'm going to turn up the heat a little bit. This one's being a pain in the butt. It's already been about 3 minutes, so I guess we're going to 5. It's alright, it's a bigger batch, so it's to be expected. Okay, I'm going to add a touch of white in here and a touch of sky blue, just to bring it back to that pretty blue-green we had. First in, the white. That was probably too much. That's okay. And the sky blue. 4 drops. Let's hit it with a little more blue. Yeah, that looks better. All right, we're gonna let that sit until it comes to a rolling boil. But first, we've got to turn up the heat. See you soon. Bye for now. All right, everybody, we've reached that rolling boil, so I'm going to prepare the acids. But first, I want to get some slow-mos. There we go. Now let's stir it up for the next 1 to 2 minutes just to get it fully incorporated throughout the whole batch. And then we'll allow it to sit for a minute or two while I set up the pour station. And it also allows that excess water to evaporate off. All right, I'm gonna let this sit and I'll see you over there. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. And that's all there is to it. See you when it's time to sand. All right, let's get rid of those bubbles. More like a flamethrower versus a torch. This thing's old and it's been abused, so I can't really fix the settings. Tons of fun. And that's all there is to it. See you when it's time to sand. And there you have it, Desert Pear Gummies. I hope you like this one as much as I do. It's special. These are perfect for a hike, especially out in the desert. Just pop one when you're getting ready to calm down, or when you want to see the scenery in a different light, or with at least a different set of eyes. They'll really help with the sunset, and if you're still there, the sunrise. Camping through, love that stuff. Anyway, I can go on forever with this topic. So if you decide to make them, you know what to do. And if you need help, hit me up. Until next time, I'm Burns. Bye.